In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a property on Google Analytics. Now, whether you're consolidating your analytics or just doing some digital spring cleaning, deleting a property can simplify your dashboard and help reduce clutter. Let's go through the process step by step, ensuring that you can quickly and easily manage your Google Analytics account. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Analytics Tools and Solutions page, which is essentially the main hub for accessing your analytics account. To get there, just type Google Analytics Tools and Solutions into your preferred search engine, and it should appear as one of the top results. Click the link to proceed. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option to sign into Analytics. Click on Sign into Analytics. Make sure you use the Google account that is linked to your Analytics property. This ensures you have the right level of access needed to make changes. After signing in, you will land on the Google Analytics homepage, which provides an overview of your reports and data. On this page, you'll see the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Look for the settings icon, which will lead you to the admin section. It's usually depicted as a cog or gear symbol. After you click on settings, navigate to the bottom left corner and you should see the admin button. Select it to bring up the admin panel. This is where all the account, property and view settings are managed. The admin panel is divided into 3 columns: account, property and view settings. Make sure that you have selected the correct account and property that you wish to delete. Next, you'll need to go to Account Access Management within the admin panel. This is where you control all user permissions. When you're inside the Account Access Management, you might see a list of users who currently have permission to access this property. It's important to remove all other users who have access to this property. This step is crucial because you can't delete a property if there are active users. Once all other users have been removed, you should be able to proceed with deleting the property. This will remove all associated data and history, so be absolutely sure before proceeding, as this action is irreversible. Deleting the property won't affect other properties or views you have under the same account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to remove any unwanted properties from your Google Analytics account, keeping your data organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.